Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is AMRC, and I've got the T-28 Trojan again. You know it, probably, from my previous videos. I love it, so let's fly it again. Okay, here it goes. On my usual flying spot. I had to move a bit up the road. But at least I have a long straight here. And some sheepdogs. I hope they're friendly. I wouldn't want to be chased by them, especially when I have a plane in the air. I've got quite a bit of distance to my car. Okay, mud. Let's get to flying. I'll worry about the dogs later. So far they seem friendly. And the shepherd's over there, so hopefully if anything goes wrong, he'll rescue me. Don't get me wrong, I love dogs. And most animals. I have 2 dogs myself, but especially these sheepdogs, they can be unpredictable. Hi, buddy. So I'm afraid to do anything crazy or low, so I don't scare them. I hope they go away until I have to land. I already have 2 minutes on the timer, but it's been slow flying. Okay, he's going away. Let's get him acquainted to the T-28. Huh? Let's push it a bit. Be careful for those power lines. I'm used to having them behind me at the other location. Such a great flying plane. I think everyone who likes flying should have one of these. Especially this one on 4S. It's easy to fly, but then it's also easy to throw around. Okay. And glides really well. Man, I'd love to get my hands on the 2-meter version. That would be whole bunch of problems for me. Storing, flying location, and of course it costs way more than this. I can get 3 of these for the price of the 2-meter one. Okay, I have 1 minute left on the timer. But I can go a lot longer with this. There's the thing here. It's a long straight and traffic goes by fast. There's not a lot of traffic, but it's still my usual road. Okay, another sheep doggy. Hey doggy. No, please go away. I'm not interesting. Okay, he's right behind me. And he decided to stay in the shade, just like me. Look, I got 2 of them. The guy said they're okay. Okay, my timer's run out. I know I can go 2 or 3 more minutes, so let's plan a landing. Okay, that was bad. But yeah, as I said, these doggies are intimidating. Okay. Yeah, near there. Hi doggy. Well, the plane is in one piece. Not my best landing, but yeah, that's my weakness with this. Otherwise, it's so easy to fly. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll cut this short. I don't want to anger the doggies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.